I was asking you to share कि last year में आपने टेक्नोलॉजी का कैसे इस्तेमाल किया? How did technology?
Uh, there are two parts to the what I learned from you and CEOITBOX and everything. By using technology, our business and my personal tension and the stress levels went down a lot. Was everything you could manage and you could control everything sitting at one place.
Right.
But on the contrary, जो older staff था, which was in our organization for like 10, 15, 20 years, जिनको एक काम करने की आदत एक ही flow में थी, उनको online लाना या उनको करना, that was a very big challenge for us, because obviously they don't want to be they are not computer savvy, or they are not like that. But on the contrary, once we started using technology, like all your sheets and everything, the end result was that we could save up on some staff cost, we could improve our customer service, and we could communicate better with our customers, thus building a better brand or better and doing work in a much more organized way. So whatever we could do, like we could manage 5 to 10 times of that volume using your sheets and your technology, what you teach us.
मतलब 5 to 10 times scalability बढ़ गई आपकी?
हाँ जी.
And you are feeling more in control कि भी हाँ अब मुझे पता है कि कौन कहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है या कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कोई unexpected issue suddenly crop up नहीं होगी, right?
And sir, the unproductive staff है ना, वो कम हो गया है, because people who are not performing earlier, वो जो दिखता था वो कि sir हम busy हैं, ये काम कर रहे हैं, वो काम कर रहे हैं, अब actually पता लगता है कि what people are doing, and the unproductive staff, they slowly left out from the company only.